Thanks for being with us. Let's head straight down the corridor and around the corner to 7Sharp. Over to Hilary and Jeremy.
Thanks very much, Simon. It is New Zealand Road Safety Week, a reminder that everyone deserves to feel safe, whether they're driving, walking or working on our roads.
Traffic Safe NZ is a company whose sole focus is temporary traffic management, and they've introduced 2 new team members who are keeping workers out of harm's way.
Aotearoa, New Zealand has some of the most dangerous roads in the world.
We're facing dangers every day, trucks flying past us. The cars just come along, pow.
And for our whānau working on those roads, the risks are even greater.
It's important for us to get our workers home.
But groundbreaking innovation has just landed on our shores all the way from Austria.
This is Conan.
A new robotic traffic cone machine that lays out and picks up cones.
It's one out of the 2 trucks we've got in our company so far, hoping to get some more. It's quite a cool thing to bring into the traffic world for us because it takes that anxiety and risk away from the people who are running those sort of sites.
Ensuring everyone gets home safe every day.
And Traffic Safe CEO Pierre Kraus is here now. Good to see you, Pierre. How does Conan work?
Well, Jeremy, essentially, Conan is a high-tech piece of equipment that is an automated system that deploys and retrieves cones. So what happens is the operator would put the machine into deploy mode and then start rolling forward with the truck, and then the automated system will then automatically offload the cones from the truck onto the road surface and automatically at the correct distance as well. Once the work is done for the day and we need to retrieve the cones, the operator will then put the machine into retrieval mode and then roll along the cones again, and Conan will automatically take the cones from the deck of the asphalt and then evenly load the truck with the cones.
So what does it do that a person can't?
I think it's actually what can it sustain what people can't. And I think that is injury and risk of impact. So apart from thinking out of the square, because it's obviously governed by a software system, I think our approach was more looking at how do we get our people safe? What are our biggest risks? Where are the dangers? What makes our people anxious? And therefore the approach to get to this automated solution, Conan, which effectively by which we then engineer people off the back of the truck. Because look, the conventional way of cone placement and cone retrieval is actually to have 2 people on the back of a moving truck working at height, which is extremely dangerous and make people anxious.
Pierre, tell me, is Conan, and the name Conan, is that a play on the word cone?
Absolutely, Jeremy, yes.
Thought so. Smart. Now, are there plans for more of them?
Yes, absolutely. We currently have 2 in our fleet, and then we've got 2 which will actually be on hybrid trucks, which will be rolling out very shortly, and then another 4 on order, which we'll also be installing on hybrid trucks.
And how do your human workers feel about it?
Hilary, our human workers are so excited for many reasons. I'll give you a few highlights. So our first core value is everyone home safe every day. And coming up with this initiative where our directors came up with this safety-led innovation approach where we're engineering our people out of danger, they're extremely excited. They're also quite excited that we first movers in New Zealand. This equipment's never been seen and deployed. So I think they're very proud of that as well.
Pierre, working where you work, I imagine you see some pretty crazy things. What's your message to motorists about driving around road workers?
I think my message to them would be, look, we're just people like you. We've got loved ones, family, friends, and we're on the road corridor because we're doing an honest day's work to try and promote the quality of life of all Kiwis. So I would ask them to please just relax, be patient, drive to the speed limit, and give us a friendly wave. We really appreciate that.
Thanks so much, Pierre. Great talking to you.
Thank you for having me.
ASB and 7Sharp, keeping you one step ahead.